Welcome back friends, this is Leena from VTeach Academy, and today in this presentation we are going to discuss about addition of vectors. So let us say a bar and b bar are the two vectors, then there exist 3 points in this space. So we mark here 3 points, say a, b and c. And now let us join the points a and b, and suppose that the length of AB is a bar. So the value of the vector AB would be a bar, and similarly let us join the points B and C, and let us assume the length of BC is b bar. So the vector BC will be equal to b bar. So now let us find the value of a bar plus b bar. Here a bar is nothing but the vector AB and b bar is nothing but the vector BC. So how will you add these two vectors? So make a note that two vectors are possible to add if and only if the terminal point of the first vector coincide with the initial point of the second vector. And observe the figure over here. The terminal point of the vector AB, which is B, coincides with the initial point of the vector BC, which is also B. So we can say that the addition is possible for these two vectors AB plus BC. So its value would be the vector AC. So let us join over here the points A and C. So this forms here a triangle, and therefore we can conclude that the vector AB plus vector BC is equal to the vector AC. So we call this as a triangle law of addition. And now let me explain this concept with the help of an example over here. So let us say a bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 5k and b bar is 5i plus 4j plus 2k. Then how will you find the value of a bar plus b bar? So we can find this value by adding the corresponding elements. So by adding we get here 2 plus 5 into I plus 3 plus 4 into j plus of 5 plus 2 into k. So on adding this we get 5 plus 2 as 7i plus 3 plus 4 would be 7j, and we get here 5 plus 2 as 7k. So this is how we add two vectors. And now let us prove a theorem over here. So for this let us consider A and B are the 2 points in this space. Then the vector AB is given by the vector OB minus the vector OA. So let us consider 2 points here and name this as A and B. So we assume that there is a origin over here. Then by joining all these points we get a triangle. So by the triangle law of addition we get here the vector OA plus the vector AB is equal to the vector OB. And by transferring OA to the other side we get here the vector AB is equal to OB minus OA. So make a note of this theorem, as this can be used as a formula in our upcoming videos. So this was a basic introduction on addition. Hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.